Welcome to this technical guide on the Conga 1390. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Conga 1390 is making a strange noise while cleaning, it could indicate a problem with the motor or a blockage in the brush assembly. This noise often arises from debris caught in the mechanism or worn-out parts. If left unattended, this could lead to further damage and a more costly repair. To fix this issue, you will need a screwdriver set, a pair of tweezers, some lubricant, and a clean cloth to ensure everything is tidy. First, start by safely opening your Conga 1390. Make sure to unplug it and place it on a flat, stable surface. Use a suitable screwdriver to remove the screws located at the bottom of the device. Carefully lift the casing off to expose the internal components. Once open, look for the motor and the brush assembly. The motor is usually situated towards the back of the unit, while the brush assembly is at the front. You might find that debris is clogging the brush area, which can cause those strange noises. Using your tweezers, gently pull out any hair or dirt that you can see. If the motor is the culprit, you may need to replace it. To do this, unscrew the motor carefully, noting the type and length of screws you remove. Apply gentle force, as over-tightening can damage the casing. Before disconnecting any cables, take a photo to remember where they go. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you have replaced the faulty part, reattach any cables and ensure they are secure. Carefully place the casing back on, ensuring no wires are pinched. Reinsert the screws and make sure everything is tight but not overly so. Finally, plug in your Conga 1390 and test it out. Listen for any unusual noises to ensure the repair was successful. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean the brush assembly and check for any debris after each use. Keeping your device in good condition will help prolong its lifespan and maintain optimal performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.